Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Honda Fit and upgrade it with a better, cheaper battery. Very simple. Only four screws. They're all 10 millimeter. Just take them off. Two on the battery holder, two on the terminal. There may be a red plastic box you have to remove too in order to remove the battery on the positive terminal. So after that, just take the battery out and let's compare the two battery, and the new one and the old one. The smaller one is the old one. So the original equipment is 151R. The upgrade is 51R. As you can see, they are the same width but different lengths. And the 51R is 460 versus 350 CCA. I think 350 is so low. I couldn't believe that's what Honda did. And it is 75 minutes versus 57 minutes of reserve capacity. And it's almost half the price. No brainer to go with the bigger one. If you ask why such a big price difference, well, only very few cars, some Honda and very few Toyota use this battery. Mass production does reduce the cost a lot. Okay, there is a small problem. On some model year, you may have to modify the battery tray in order to put the battery on. But this is the 2009. It actually sits inside perfectly well without any modifications. So now let's put all the screws back. Really simple. Hang tight them first and do them one at a time. And then just tighten snug and we are done. Very simple. So obviously two terminal, and don't forget the red plastic cap and also the battery holder. For screws, again 10 millimeter, and you are good to go. So this is how to replace it with the upgrade of the battery on Honda Fit. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.